How's it going, y'all? Just bought this 95, I think it's a 1995 Ford F-150. Just went and picked it up about 2 hours away yesterday. And this is one of the cleanest trucks that I've had. There's no rust. It drives perfect. There's nothing wrong with this truck. There's an ABS light on, but that's about it. I mean, it's got new tires. The wheels are clean as can be. No rust. It's just a pretty truck. There's only like one dent right there, maybe one on the bumper. But you really can't get cleaner than this truck. So I'm about to show you all the interior and I'm about to clean it. So let's see how it goes. Super clean truck. For a Virginia truck, it's actually surprisingly pretty clean. I really like that there's the tinted windows. See how clean this chrome is? Man, oh man. Check out the blue interior. This is my first truck that has the blue interior. I've really never had one with the blue interior, but they're actually kind of nice. It's got a nice little rear view mirror there. Bluetooth radio, AC works, every single thing on this truck works. The owners kept really good care of it. The only thing that this truck has that is not ideal is it's got 220,000 miles, but you really would not even tell from driving it. I just can't get over how nice this truck is. This is definitely one of those trucks that I would keep if I didn't need to make money. I think that this truck's been ceramic coated because the water just beads right off. I'm not making the best video here because I'm just filming with my iPhone, but let me know if y'all really want to see this type of content more, because I've really been lacking on my YouTube channel. I haven't posted on it in like years probably, so if y'all actually want me to start posting, just let me know and I will get back to it. But I've been flipping trucks still, so I probably sold 6 this year maybe. So I enjoy it, it's my passion. So if y'all really do want me to keep posting, you just gotta comment down below and let me know. Alright, well, just finished the outside. Time to go in, and I just gave it a little rinse with some soap and some water. But time to go and check out what we got here on the interior. I really haven't gone through it. I drove this truck about 2 hours back home from where it was. I guess I just left this there, just sitting in the passenger seat. So nothing in the cup holder. There's a little smoke tray here. Some change in there. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Anybody need a keychain? It's kind of funny. The people I bought it from were definitely like that too. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. Nice. Insurance, all that stuff. Sorry, someone just called me. But, so what I learned is that other guys who flip trucks always go through these manuals, because one time a guy found $500 cash sitting in the owner's manual. So I'm just gonna go through and not give anyone's address out, but I'm just gonna, okay, so these are just documents from the DMV. All right, so let's see. Ford F Series. Here's a little notebook. Oh, this is for the stereo. I don't see no cash sitting in there. All right, we'll go to the actual owner's manual. Okay, so this is for a 1996. I'm pretty sure this truck, let's see, I don't want to show it on camera. Okay, it's a 96. It's a 1996. I don't see no cash in there. Dang it. Anyways, moving on. Just a receipt for, it looks like some wheel bearings. And one of these little charger things. Nothing really crazy. I will go through all that and take some pictures of it for the listing. They kept this truck pretty clean, I will say. There's nothing behind the seat, unfortunately. Sometimes there's stuff under the seat, but I gotta use my flashlight to see that. I just checked and there was nothing under the seat, so this is the only find today apparently, which I'm gonna throw that in the trash. Yeah, so time to vacuum it out. Well guys, I actually ended up having to leave and go somewhere, run an errand right after I filmed that last clip. But I didn't even need to vacuum it out. I thought it was pretty clean the way it was, so I just did the tires with some tire shine and then I called it at that. But I really appreciate y'all watching, and if you want me to post more videos, just comment down below and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Thank y'all, and y'all have a great day.